For the people who comment on my videos asking me where do I get my tires, how do I just miraculously pop up at these jobs with tires, I'm gonna show you. One of my places is my garage. I keep the tires that I use often. I got semi-truck tires, I got passenger tires, I got trailer tires as well. And while we here, I got a customer with 2 flat tires on a trailer, and he gonna get them bottom 2 tires down now, so let's get to it. What he got is 235, 8016, and I got 2 of these. I keep 2 of these in stock at the house. We finna load these babies up. Let's go on ahead to this customer, man. The crazy thing about this call, he's literally at a gas station right around the corner from my house, and I'm about to pull into it now. He's over here at the Gas and Go, which I ain't gonna lie, boy, this right on time because I need to get some gas for my truck, but let's get to it. I'm guessing this is him over here. That has to be with the 3 axles, and I already see 2 of the tires down. It's that front tire and it's the back tire. How your middle tire the only tire ain't get hit? Either way, we finna go on and knock this out. I'm gonna get him to pull up on a block because I think, this is me thinking, if I get him on the block, it's gonna raise both those axles and I might not have to jack it up. Hey, you don't mind if I record, do you?
No, go for it.
See, you got the 2 right there, 1 on the front, 1 on the back. I'm gonna get you to pull up on a block.
That's what I was gonna do. They ain't no way of nothing.
You're a smart man. What happened? Did you hit something?
No, as soon as I pulled out the fairgrounds, I heard them. I said,
Oh, you were leaving the horse show down there?
well, they had a shotgun event down there.
Nice.
I've never seen what it was, and the guy came out, he was like, I said, all right, I got to blow. I was looking for a decent place to get off. By that time, I heard boom. And I said, well, now I got to get off.
You gotta go. If you don't, that one's gonna go too. All right, I'm gonna get you to pull forward. Just watch me in your mirror or out your window. I'll tell you when to stop. I like these type of customers, man. They're easy to deal with. I probably ain't even got to do that. I could have just stuck my jack up under that. It looked like it's high enough, but we're gonna make it easy. Go ahead, driver. Oh, I'm gonna jack it up just a little bit, and I probably do that when I get ready to put the tires on. So let's go on and get to it, man. This job, it officially starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. It's either 13/16 or a 7/8. Most likely that 13/16. No, it's a 7/8. I started with no air, but let's see if I got enough to take this off. Yeah. She was ready to come off, wasn't she? All right, let's get it. see what one of his problems is already. That tire's old. That was made in 2018, 8 years ago. Anybody listening want to take this tip? After 5 years of manufacturing, them tires start breaking down. And as you can see, his tire was 8 years old, so it was way overdue to be changed out. That side already broke. We finna get the peeling. Let's see how old this one is. I hate I put that water on there, yeah. 18 as well. Oldies. All right, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Easy. It's your turn. Let's go. I'm spreading the wealth today, baby. You're gonna get some too. One thing about those tires, once they get blown out and they're shredded like that, they usually come off easier. A lot of the ones that are still intact, they might be harder to peel off, as far as like that last peel that I'm doing right now. Let me look at these valve stems. I think they're good. I got some high pressure stems, but I don't have these that you tighten down. I got the rubber ones. I'm looking at that seal around it. That seal looks great. It ain't broke off. It ain't cracked or nothing. Same thing with that one. Wiggle it a little bit, it ain't loose. Valve stem good. Let's go on with the new tires. Let's see what this lube look like today. I added some water over the weekend, so it might be thick. Yes, it is. Lube Appreciation. Baby, baby, baby. See, this the perfect lube right here. This type of lube right here will save you a trip to the sex store. Don't tell nobody I said that. But you won't have to go to Xmart if you use it. You won't even have to go to Starship. Matter of fact, just delete the search. Don't even act like you called them at all. All right, let's go on with these. I don't see a red dot or a yellow dot. So what I am gonna do is make sure that that date from the DOT is poking out. And as you can see, these are 2025, so don't start with the old tire comments. Let's see if I can just walk this one on. I should be able to. If I can't, I'm gonna peel it. Let's see. It's coming slowly but surely. Nah, they're gonna peel it on. I ain't got time to play. I ain't got time to play. Last one. Last one. Ow. It's the same brand tire, so I'm pretty sure it doesn't have a dot on it as well. And it doesn't. So let's make sure that DOT date is on the outside. I'm a bad man, huh? You first. That might be perfect right there. I just want to get that valve stem covered up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like I said, I'm just gonna get it beaded up or whatever, and they already have seated on both sides. So let's do this other one real quick. Matter of fact, for this one, let's do that tank cam if y'all with me. Cover your ears. What Mr. can say? Still smoking. All right, I got both tires seated on the wheel, both sides, front and back. I'm gonna put them over here. We're gonna jack this baby up and put these tires on. All right. Let's get him jacked up. Notice how when I'm twisting this, I don't have my finger in between that top and that, because just in case that tire over there blows out and this drops, if my finger was on top of there, it'll get smashed. So I'm making sure I leave some clearance on there so I can twist this up as far as I want to. And I'm gonna put him dead in the middle. Hopefully y'all can see this good. We are gonna see that in post-production. Let's take him up. Go. We moving up in the world, baby. And I honestly think that should be high enough. Let's give it a go. Just shy of being perfect. I'm gonna turn that a little bit. Watch it now. We in now. Perfect. Now this other one I might have to lift it up myself because I came up with that one. High enough, let's go. I'm gonna show y'all a little pro tip too. Notice how I did that one first, and I brought myself back here to where my gun is. That way when I tighten these down or put them on with my hand, I could just tighten them down. I don't have to run back and forth. I work myself back to my gun. So if my gun was up there, I would have started back here and then went up. Another reason why I did that, when I tighten this one down and then tighten that one down, I'll be at my jack. I can just let my jack down too. The goal, as always, is to work smarter, not harder. If you've seen my videos, you know what I'm about to say. If you haven't, this is not a mistake. Nascar, is you ready? Nascar, I hope you're paying attention. Going to finish airing these tires up. While that's going on, we're gonna let this jack down. See what we got in here. 45. I'm gonna put them about 75 in there and call it a day. 75 on the head. Let's go to this other one. 75 on the head. Let's go. Put these caps on, man. All right, man. You want to pull up off that block for me? While he gets in the truck, I'm going to cut my compressor off. Gas is too hot to let it just sit and run right now. Pull forward. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank y'all for coming on this job with me. I'm about to cut this camera off, put my tools up, get paid, take my fat self to the grocery store. A success.